IR35 is another name for the off-payroll working rules. This legislation ensures that contractors pay the same tax and national insurance contributions as an equivalent employee. From April 6, 2021, the UK government has implemented significant changes to IR35 rules for those workers at a company that are not on the Payee payroll. This usually refers to contractors, freelancers and consultants of various fields working for the public sector and medium and large private businesses. We have a highly skilled legal and compliance team who takes compliance seriously, and we're consistently awarded as the most compliant recruitment company partner. We help our clients by understanding the new rule in depth and audit the use of contractors who supply their services via an intermediary. We also support our clients in reviewing and amending the policies, procedures and contractual documentation to mitigate against the risk of HMRC investigation and tax liabilities by doing periodic checks to ensure that tax liabilities are met for inside IR35 roles. What makes someone inside IR35? If the contract is deemed inside IR35, an individual is considered as an employee for tax purposes. This means he is effectively required to pay tax at the same rate as an employee in the same tax bracket. Contractors working inside IR35 in the public sector and those working inside the rules from medium and large companies in the private sector from 6 April 2021 onwards do not need to worry about the changes, as the individual's fee payer will do this on their behalf and deduct the national income and tax from their invoice before paying them by own or alternative working arrangement such as use of an umbrella company. 3 key points which are important to assess if someone falls inside IR35 that are: first is control. Under this, an individual have to understand to what extent does his client controls the services they carry out, or are they under direct control? Are you able to dictate how the work is carried out? Differences are differentiating your mind, isn't it? Don't worry, we have the solution to make you understand whether you are under control or help to successfully demonstrate that you are not under the direct supervision and control of the client. Second is personal service. Is the service provided by you to the client a personal one, or do you offer a genuine business-to-business service? Do you have the right to provide a substitute worker to perform the duties as any other business would be able to? There is the right of substitution. For this, our experts can help to understand each clause termed by HMRC. The third is mutuality of obligation. Is there an obligation for the client to provide consistent and paid work and are obliged to accept this work? Under this, you can expect a client to hire them to undertake a specific task with no expectation of further work being provided after the initial task expires. But the mutuality of obligation question arises not during the course of the initial contract, but what happens when this contract expires. How to get help in that? Again, we are here to sort out your problem. But let's understand outside IR35 before moving ahead. Outside IR35, to be considered as operating outside of IR35 rules, which means that a contractor works as a genuine contracted business to a client in the private sector rather than acting as an employee and are being paid by the limited company. The worker has the responsibility of ensuring that he or she is paying the right amount of national insurance and tax on the money that they receive for the work. We have the ability to have assessments for candidates if the role is outside IR35, and we help our clients providing suitable candidates after going through each measure and reviewing thoroughly before offering the role. At iXceed Solutions, we understand the importance of managing your workload by filling the suitable candidate on prompt basis. Therefore, we advise the best suitable options for our clients and consultants and ensure that client is completely compliant and doesn't have any compliance issues. We provide a solution that serves best-in-class technology with our IR35 expert support team, which is highly trained to give advanced results, whether it's inside or outside IR35. Contact us today for more details on IR35. Let iXceed Solutions help you. Log on to www.iXceedsolutions.co.uk.